How you doing? This is Matt from Ryder Insurance. Safety is always on my mind when riding my bike, so let's go through this pre-ride checklist. First thing we're going to do is check our tires. We're going to make sure there's no holes or sharp objects sticking in the tires. We're also going to use a tire pressure gauge and check the pressure and the tread of the tire. Remember, the #1 cause for excessive tire wear and tire failure is low tire pressure. Next, we're going to move on to controls. We're going to look for any cracks or holes in any of the hoses. We're also going to make sure our throttle and clutch cables are properly adjusted and lubricated. Moving down to the levers and pedals, we also want to make sure that they're properly adjusted, because there's nothing worse than being stuck on the side of the road because your throttle won't budge or your clutch cable's broken. Other drivers need to see you, so lights are very important. This is a good time to check that our tail lights and our brake lights are working. Always make sure your headlamp is in working order, and always look for cracked or broken reflectors. Make sure your battery is secured and none of the wiring is frayed, and don't forget to test your turn signals. Refuel your tank if it's low, and make sure to check your oil, your brake fluid, and your coolant levels. No one wants to blow a head gasket stuck in traffic. Next, we're going to go over the chassis. Now's a good time to look at your belt and chain tension. Make sure it's right. All parts are secure. Give the front end a wiggle. See how the steering is. Look over the frame, make sure there's no dings or chips. Not only are they an eyesore, but they're also an indication of corrosion. Lastly, we want to check our kickstands. Our baby needs plenty of support while she rests. Play it safe every time. This pre-ride checklist allows you to do maintenance at home instead of on the side of the road. This is Matt from Ryder Insurance reminding you to enjoy the road the right way, ride safely.